Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Angels of Creativity. Today we will discuss about all you need to know before you start your canvas painting. In this video we will talk about different canvases, different brushes and different type of paints. Canvas board or canvas sheets are recommended for beginners as they are easy to store. Also stretch canvas can be used for the same. Before starting the video, I request you all, if you are watching my video for first time, please subscribe my channel. I used to upload videos regarding different type of painting on my channel. So without further any delay, let's get started. This is stretch canvas. These comes pre-primed, means already these are covered with canvas primer. Also these are ready to display or hang. Canvases nowadays available are pre-primed, but it's good to give a coat of primer. These type of stretch canvas are stretched on a wooden frame like this. Camlin and fine art brands of canvases easily available at stationery shops. At the back side of stretch canvas, they also give some wooden pieces to support frame. You can fix it and your canvas is ready to use. This is medium grained canvas. You can find canvases of different brand and different grains at stationery shops. You can buy any of them. These type of canvases comes on board. We can just put a nail behind the canvas board and it's ready to hang. This canvas is acid free, 25 cm by 30 cm, 10 by 12 in inches. We gently remove the sticker from the canvas. After this we will apply gesso on the canvas board or canvas stretch canvas, whatever you have to gesso it. Gesso is a thick liquid we should apply on canvas. You can directly apply gesso on canvas or you can just pour it into any of your container, some drop of water and mix it well. You can apply that as well. It comes seal packed like this. Now all of you thinking that why we applying gesso. Gesso is basically used to fill the uneven surface of the canvas to a paintable surface. Like when we do paint our walls, we prefer to do putty first, like that we apply gesso first before painting on the canvas. You can apply gesso directly from a spatula, knife or with the help of brush. You have to just evenly spread it throughout the canvas. Now we will talk about colors. Acrylic colors and oil colors both can be applied on the canvas. Acrylic colors come in bottles as well as tubes. On canvas surface, tubes are used, but whenever we require for detailing, we can use for bottle acrylic colors. Here I am using Fevicryl brand acrylic bottle colors and you can see how I can give detail from it. As you can see, these are very liquid, so we do not need any water here. We can directly apply it on the canvas or you can use it on wooden board as well. Now we talk about tube colors. We have to be careful while doing with these colors as these colors dries very quickly. We can add some water into it according to our convenience. And the last thing, our brushes. One more thing you need to know is that you have to wash your brush before going to the next color. I will recommend you that before you start your painting, you should take two container of water with you. So if your water in first container gets dirty, you can easily take another container and wash from that ones. After that, you have to take a cloth and you have to just remove extra water from the brush. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and keep watching.